Look at this mess. Sorry.
You're about to see perfect water flow.
Bro, the sink's racist, bro.
Have you ever seen the likes, boys? What you mean me tap is drinking water? What the fuck? What sort of tomfoolery is this, man?
What is this design?
Go ahead.
Okay, so I just moved and I don't exactly have hot water in my bathtub right now, but that's okay because I can just go to the sink, open the sink, and it's just...
Yo, emptying the kiddie pool, and this is like absolutely perfect. Look at that. That's moving water.